Good morning for all students. I will continue our lessons. I hope you share with me. Today I will explain lesson 5 in Unit 3 about the circumference of the circle. Let us remember what we know about the circle. Number 1, we use the compass to draw the circle. For example, if we want to draw a circle with radius length 3 cm, we open the compass with radius length 3 cm by using the ruler. Then draw the circle. This point is called the center of the circle. So this circle is called circle M, according to its center. The line segment joined between the center and any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. From this point to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. And if we continue the radius, we get another radius. Then this line segment equal to radius. This line segment is called the diameter of the circle. So we can say diameter of the circle equal to radius, or radius equal half diameter. Again, the radius of the circle is a line segment joined between the center and any point on the circle. But the diameter of the circle is a line segment joined between 2 points on the circle and must passing through the center. The diameter equal to radii, or radius equal half diameter. For example, if we have radius equal 2 centimeter, then its diameter of this circle equal 4 centimeter. Number 2, to find the perimeter of each shape. To find the perimeter of each shape, what the meaning of perimeter is the sum of outside lengths. For example, to get the perimeter of this square equal to plus. We know the sides of all of the square are equal. So the perimeter equal 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 or equal 2 by 4 equal 8 centimeter. For this rectangle, to find the perimeter of this rectangle, we know that each two opposite sides in the rectangle are equal in length. So this line segment equal 4 centimeter and this line segment equal 2 centimeter. To find the perimeter equal 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 or 4 plus 2 all by 2 equal 12 centimeter. To find the perimeter of this shape, we find the sum of its side lengths. Perimeter equal 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 equal 10 centimeter. Now we talk about the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle means the perimeter of the circle. For example, if we have 3 ropes, the length of the first rope is 10 centimeter, and we use this rope to make a circle. Then the circumference of this circle equal 10 centimeter because the length of this circle is 10 centimeter. Another example, if we have rope, the second rope, its length is 15 centimeter, and we make a circle from this rope. Then the circumference is the length of the circle. So the circumference of the circle equal 15 centimeter. The third rope, its length equal 30 centimeter, and we make a circle by this rope. Then this length, this circumference equal 30 centimeter according to its length. Now we talk about how we find the circumference of any circle by using this formula. Circumference of the circle equal pi times diameter. Pi, this symbol is pi times diameter. We can symbol this formula by circumference equal pi times d. C is the circumference, d is the diameter. How is pi? Pi is approximated value equal 22 over 7 or 3.14. We know that diameter equal to radii, so we can say circumference of any circle equal pi by 2r or 2 by r. Then we must know these two forms. Circumference of any circle equal pi times d, or circumference of any circle equal 2 pi r. 2 pi r means 2 times pi times r. For example, if we have circle with a radius 7 centimeter, then its diameter equal 14 centimeter. Pi equal 22 over 7, then we find the circumference of the circle by the rule. Equal pi times d equal 22 over 7 by 14 equal, simple, say divided 7 equal 1, 14 divided 7 equal 2. 2 by 22 equal 44 centimeter as the radius. Another example, if the diameter is 20 centimeter, then the radius is 10 centimeter because the diameter equal 2 radii. To find the circumference equal pi d equal, pi is 3.14 by the diameter 20 equal 62.8 centimeter as the diameter centimeter. Another example, if the radius is 14 decimeter, then the diameter will be 28 decimeter and pi is 22 over 7, then the circumference equal pi d equal pi equal 22 over 7 by the diameter equal 28 decimeter. By simplify this form, 7 divided 7 equal 1, 28 divided 7 equal 4, so 22 by 4 equal 88 decimeter. Decimeter as the diameter is decimeter. If the diameter is 10 meter, the radius will be 5 meter. To find, and pi is 3.14, to find the circumference equal pi d equal, pi is 3.14 by d is 10 meter equal 31.4 meter as the diameter. In the last equation, we find the circumference of any circle. Now, we learn how we find the radius length of the circle whose circumference are 88 centimeter or 11 or 66. In the first one, 88 is the circumference is 88 circumference centimeter. We can write the rule in triangle. Circumference of the circle equal 2 multiplied by multiplied r. To find the radius of any circle, we get this rule. Radius equal circumference of the circle over 2 pi equal circumference of this circle is 88 centimeter over 2 multiply pi. Who is pi? Pi equal 22 over 7. By using your calculator, equal 14 centimeter. Then if the circumference of the circle is 88 centimeter, the radius was 14 centimeter. Another one, to find the radius equal the same rule, circumference over 2 pi equal. The circumference was 11 centimeter over 2 pi multiplied by equal 22 over 7 equal 1.75 centimeter by using your calculator. To find the radius equal, write the rule at first, equal circumference of the circle is 66 over 2 multiplied 22 over 7 equal 10.5 meter as the circumference. Another example, a jar of jam, its base is in the shape of a circle. The base of the shape in the circle, whose radius length is 3.5 centimeter. This base of the jar is a circle whose radius length is 3.5 centimeter. Find the circumference of the base of this jar, where pi equal 22/7. We find the circumference of the base. The base is circle, so we write the rule of circumference of the circle equal to multiply by multiplied r equal 2 multiply 22/7 multiply the radius is 3.5 equal 22 centimeter as the radius. Another example, calculate the circumference of each figure. The first figure, look at the first figure. We have half circumference of circle. This part is half circumference of circle, and this line equal 150 centimeter, 70 centimeter, and this line equal the opposite side because this shape is rectangle, so this side equal 150 centimeter. To find the circumference of this figure, we need at first circumference of half circle. Circumference of half circle equal 2 by r by half. Half because it's a half circle equal, simplify half by 2 cancelled, equal pi is 3.14 by the radius. Where is the radius of this circle? This line is the diameter. Then this diameter equals 70 centimeter equals the opposite side. Then the radius equal 35 centimeter equal, by using your calculator, 109.9 centimeter. Then we find the circumference of all figure. The circumference starts from this point, 150 plus 70 plus 150 plus this half circumference, 109.9. The circumference will be 479.9 centimeter. In figure number 2, we need the circumference of this figure. So we need all these lengths. In this figure, we have two halves. These two halves have the same diameter, 60 centimeter, and this is 60 centimeter. We know that if we have two halves, that means we have complete circle. Then, to find this half and this, we have circumference of complete circle equal by d equal 3.14 by the diameter. Where is the diameter? The diameter is 60 centimeter equal 188.4 centimeter. Then we know the length of this part is 188.4 centimeter. The circumference of all figure equal 188.4 plus this side equal 130 centimeter plus 130 centimeter equal 448.4 centimeter. Figure number 3, to find the circumference of this figure, we need this length. We said before, the circumference of any shape is the perimeter. In this figure, we have 4 halves with the same diameter. Diameter equal 20 centimeter. We know 4 halves of the same diameter of the circle equal 2 circles. Then we need to find the circumference of 2 circles. Equal by times d by 2 because we need two circles equal 2 multiply 3.14 multiply it, the diameter is 20 is the diameter equal 125.20 centimeter. Example, if the diameter length of a bike's wheel is 66 centimeter, we have a bike, its wheel is a circle, its diameter length is 66 centimeter. What is the covered distance if the wheel turn 1000 rounds? Whereby equal approximately 3.14. At first, if the wheel move or turn one turn, this means the circumference of the circle. Again, the distance if the wheel turn one round, this equal the circumference of the wheel equal by d equal 3.14 by the diameter is 66 equal 207.24 centimeter is the distance if the wheel turn one round. But if the wheel turn 1000 round, we multiply the circumference multiplied 1000. 1000 the number of turns equal centimeter. We finished the lesson. بتمنى ان انتوا تكونوا فهمتوا الليسون كويس، ولو في اي كومنتس يا ريت تبعتوها لي او شيتس تحلوها وانا هرد عليكم طبعا على طول.